Yeah, I'm definitely interested to hear in what HPE's vision is on blockchain.
Okay.
What you're going to position with it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So HPE is interested in blockchain because our customers are interested in blockchain, our enterprise customers. So when you think about blockchain, at HPE we think about the evolution of blockchain in 3 phases. We think about blockchain 1.0, we call it. People transacting with people, cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, but our enterprise customers are really not interested in that. They're interested more in what we call blockchain 2.0, which is enterprises transacting with enterprises on closed private networks where you have low volume, high dollar transactions with customers that are identified doing known transactions, not anonymous transactions like you have with Bitcoin. And customers are also thinking about what we're calling blockchain 3.0, which is the integration of blockchain, the Internet of Things, the intelligent edge, AI. So when we started our blockchain project, we spoke to our customers. We spoke to about 50 to 60 of our customers, and we said, you know, what is your experience with blockchain? How could we help you? And what we found is that the majority of our customers in financial services were using blockchain. And in those financial services customers, they were experimenting with 3 platforms. There's a number of platforms. Gartner's last estimate that I read was about 80 different platforms. The platform that allows the blockchains and the ledgers to sync. But the ones that they were using were R3 Corda, where R3 is the name of the company, software company, and created a blockchain platform called Corda. There's Ethereum, and then there's Hyperledger. And our financial services companies were using primarily Corda. So we partnered with Corda, they're our strategic partner, and we looked to say, how could we help take Corda and have it meet the non-functional requirements that our financial services customers require? Because if you think about blockchain for the enterprise, from a functional perspective, they need privacy. So transactions between me and you, it should only be private between us. It shouldn't be seen by that person, and that person. They operate in environments of geographies where data needs to stay in this particular geography. They have rules and regulations and regulatory agencies that they need to comply with. That's a different kind of set of functional requirements than you would think of like Bitcoin and blockchain 1.0. So that's why our customers gravitated to R3 Corda. But from a non-functional perspective, it's pretty standard functional requirements. If they're going to run significant mission-critical pieces of their business on blockchain, they need scalability, they need resiliency, they need fault tolerance, they need SQL so that they can integrate their blockchain data with their existing legacy systems. So what we did is we said, well, let's look at our infrastructure to see if we can create a differentiating infrastructure that will help meet those non-functional requirements and the functional requirements that Corda provides. So what we did is we took R3 Corda and we encapsulated R3 Corda in the mission-critical, the non-stop mission-critical operating system. The mission-critical non-stop is the server right now that processes 2 out of every 3 global credit card transactions. It is the industry standard for resiliency, scalability, and processing power. So let's pull that over and put that Corda on the non-stop. So now you have that super high level of resiliency, scalability, fault-tolerant integration with SQL MX, but running Corda. So it really is a marriage of the functional and non-functional requirements that our enterprise customers need as they continue to experiment with blockchain. That's what we're showing here.